Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to connect to any Hero bike with this Hero app. So first you're going to have to download this from the Play Store. And now to connect, first open the app. So to connect to your bike, you're gonna have to click here. The app is gonna ask you for some permissions. The first two you can go ahead and allow. The third one is not optional. After allowing them, you're gonna have to press proceed, just like I'm showing you right here. If this is your first time connecting to your bike, there is a pop-up here that's gonna show up and you're gonna have to click on it. Then the app may ask you for a pin. The pin is going to show up in the speedometer display. And just like that, you can connect to your Hero motorcycle. Remember, if it's your first time and the app asks you for a pin, the pin is going to show up at the speedometer display.